for that insurance will be borne by the national government and the county governments on a 50-50 basis. I think that is an important highlight for today, because these are our frontline soldiers, and we need them really to secure UHC and Taifa Care, and they are doing a wonderful job. Other than the stipend that we've been providing as the two levels of government, again jointly on a 50-50 basis, we are going to enroll them under SHA and
Gutigana nayo serikali chichi county nigo chigo chia korwa ogose chigo chia korwa bokareri bune bwanerete nabo igo gutinya obokoreri bwaye eyiga nenkwana yaene kigwe no mugavana bwe county ya Wajir oyore boigo oyiboigore omunyakirugo ase ebarasa yabagavana asatebire eserikali anene nabo igo echi serikali chichi county nigo chiabekiro koigwana na serikali anene yanchiranire gukikubwato kachibese ase chinga kichibwenerete erikwene kia obokoreri bwechi county ngwikere nabore ase chingaki chibwenerete.
I've had a very cordial meeting as the two levels of government, and the resolutions that were agreed on, as read here, will change a lot of things. For instance, the summit resolution that the Cabinet Secretary for Treasury releases gross payroll costs to all counties by the second and third of every month, second or third of every month, ensures that every county then has money to meet their payroll costs, and that that then allows us to remit all statutory deductions, including SHA costs for staff in the counties, because you know the law requires that SHA premiums be paid by the 9th of every month for service to be enjoyed. So I have nothing much to add. We do agree with everything that has been said as captured in that communique. And as for the matter that I'm sure a lot of you would want to know what government is doing about, the Deputy President will speak to it, the drought situation and the need for mitigation. I thank you.
Abantu bari bakwagacha chinyomba imeyense baborigwe kwene kyangu bwati bare richiko chingaki bakwagacha chinyomba cyabo nari ogwakwa nabo igo emechandeta yanekigwe anene nabantu gusiri bugima bwabo anene chingaki chiri abantu chinyomba chiko gumeyense okuno kuboria kurwa ase omorai we kyombe kya AAK George Agega oyotebire buna nigo abantu babonerete kwene kyangu bwati bare richiko chingaki cyo kwagacha chinyomba.
We are doing it annually because we wanted to capture more data, and we look at the trends and the challenges of urbanization in Kenya, and of course most critical is development control and e-permitting, which as we report today is one of the biggest hurdles to professionalism or professionalizing the urbanization and the construction sector in Kenya. As we speak right now, majority of our counties are doing manual development control processes, and the few are doing the e-permitting, the electronic system. Out of the 4 of them are not currently operational, and our members are facing challenges. They're not able to submit projects, and because we believe that this is actually intentional, that it's a way of frustrating developers, and at the same time pushing the agenda that the various officers in this development control office have a better solution, and this solution of course is always through facilitation, which is a pit of corruption that is happening right now. And as an association, our members are really suffering. They are in the thick of this storm, because once you go through the rigor of developing concept, understanding the design, giving our developer solution, the bit where the government is supposed to come in, that's the local government, and be able to push the process forward to construction, is becoming a bottleneck. And this bottleneck, we believe, could have been solved by the e-permitting systems, which AAK pushed to be developed from 10 years ago through the support of the World Bank. And we did, starting with Nairobi, we did Kiambu, Mombasa, Kisumu, and unfortunately, the other counties have not been able to take the next step, which is getting to the e-permitting system. Now what we are pushing for is, instead of all the 47 counties each adopting a different system, we are pushing for a unified system. But that can only work if the systems are laid to flow and the processes, which in this case are affecting the ease of doing business and strangling the progress of construction. Remember, for every building approval that is delayed, those are several families of fundis that are being put out of work. Those are several families of consultants that are being put out of their daily bread. And this is because one person at the county or 2 or 3 people have decided that that project will not go ahead. And we think that corruption is actually very interesting. It's not at the level of kickback. It's almost at the level of nothing moves until I'm facilitated. So this is a chock-a-block situation that we as AAK are agitating that something must happen. And if it doesn't happen, then we have to get legal redress. On matters of urbanization and planning and the requirement that all municipal and city areas have plans for them to be able to develop. Of course, the challenge we are having here is that there is no deadline, there is no timetable, but most of them are actually tied to financing. For example, the Kenya Urban Support Program by World Bank, they tie the funding to development of these plans and documents. Unfortunately, if the target is just on the funding, then it means that there's no will or interest to do proper planning. But as was discussed by the various chapter chairs of AAK, the issues are now moving to where resident associations are being empowered. In fact, we are getting a lot of residents associations coming to AAK and asking us, what can we do? Because they are now trying to push the idea of planning from the bottom, that is at the level of the neighborhoods, the streets, and their estates and their areas, and saying that if they are able to push from that level, then it means that they can, go up to the level of now the wards and the sub-counties and the counties. And I think the only way we can justify the rapid urbanization and be able to future-proof our urban areas and how we live is through getting the necessary plans and allocated, of course, with the
Mbuyamo no murigereria na gwikaraga bwo tukugenda aso mutimo komo kego tukwira na togoswa asensemo ya ito yomurubiri bwetu rubini ensemo ya kabere astogo chikumerana no mogeni tubwiri tkoria rero Wilfred Bosire uyore omonchoreria ase sector ya matatu arachikobaga gutukunera amange ari anya akwene kigwa ase sector yo anene asensemo yo bonchoreria igonye kubwate iboririnde nabo igonye kubwate kerengere kindoraga nitusange nyoranga nabo gutorikira ujumbe wetera ase namba yetu ya studio iwe 0788 66 663 0788 66 663 gukurika ujumbe yao gabu ni ranya ko bagwikaga asenchire ya bene tunyare ko batu kunyerigereria naboigo bari bara sensemo ye mitandao nabogo tonyora asensemo ya Facebook ni gotore live ororo onye kubwate iboririnde ene kingana ki ngo comment yororo erinde tunyare ko batu guska amo asensemo yo bonchoreria ase sector ya matatu onye kubwate ngane ndoraga ni tukwanere ene kinga kwarikira ujumbe yao gwitira ase enamba yetu studio inanyare ko bango gotebire 0766 0788666663 gukurika ujumbe nigo iranyare ko bagigwikaga asenchira ya bene kigima kirongo gusaba no gendere gutwara oborigererio bia tochiare kwira natore irinde togendere gusanga ase obwagare.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi. Pastor Nixon Matara niga gukwarigania sumirigo Thanksgiving na boigo Pastors Appreciation Day uyura koleka seseme ya ATC Jumamosi tariki 13 cy'umutinyoyo w'12 ngucakira cinse 3 cy'amambea
nona ariko barigania mwensi abatengeri n'abategereri b'Ensoko TV asogocha ituko lya Thanksgiving erabe kitariki 13 lya ATC ange ni skuru ya ito yabamura ya Kisi School
ninchoneke wakiao elinde tumwakirinya sainga mbuya muno na kumusira Pastor Nixon Matara asokorandia linya sai
ituke lyo ntobe ne chikwaya kirato ginyasai nilingana lya nyasai yona abali gali mwensi abarange na abarare nyasaba sini asinga nchwanja okyasiri tukelyo
Muriboyo nobe live ime y'Ensoko TV guchaka chisenje chamambia tomocha
Oyo n'umucakano w'umucakano ime y'Ensoko TV unagwateka na kuhariganiwa n'abasaki b'amangana ime na isiko y'ense yaito ya Kenya kera ritkuria Jumatatu ensa eyemo amone chinsa isato chabotuko nimbe kingo kwaretera amaya y'Ensoko TV elietaliane Ishmael Mogere
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bw'Ensoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambia bono
Buya kegemana inde aso twanchira kobari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambie
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari ncheni Innocent Onyango
Diana Ndem
togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general asokirinda kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengane
Raila Puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saini kurwe binto kurwe makitapa keregyo lakini nkoire ni maega kego umuntu mato gukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
Mwancho murigeria bw'Ensoko TV bagakwana bagateba chisemi na lichikori bya orobebe egati ya bari babwate na bari batabwati ase bisaku au akene rure nche Clinton ndigi gwetera segeta seni kiago g'Ensoko TV kochiko komanya onsi eya maseyemo ali aenekiwe ali aroberi gochia koenekiwa ase sector y'echisemi kuregase obugatagati bo mocho Nairobi abego chi county chonsi emerongene na isano nebere ase ense ya Kenya elioko ligia komanya na ria ya agendrete ase sector y'echisemi
Korwa igaiga asamaga choje bungenene amaneria Senate umwancho murgeri gw'Ensoko TV ntabe to koletera amangana magia abunane to wateka kurwa gaiga miyobo katakati ubumuchi Nairobi igoika igabo sore nchekuru kwa Daniel Omwaga ni Ensoko TV oboroso womugusi
Mwancho murigereria ntobe to gwikirana ase chichiro ase to kumurekera ngaki ebimeri bikorwa ase megondo nabo igwa kugwikira aye omwanchi omurigereria ntobe to kurigereria amagori yebimeri guna chinyanya amatoke amarabwani nebinde ebinge igoto skato nyegera gende gotengera egitaseni ya Ensoko TV obona buboroso obomogusi Eliane Kerubo Frida
Tomo chego tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukomanya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga kichons asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengari butari no mubwekano Kurumucho mano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cyomugusi Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
omifunga bwato moyo nyigwete ngatindi monto chere yenkaro mororo asamalieta bakondo kama Taifa 254 indime Yensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
Sengolo Gomingo Magara Minto mwasimu ngitinga samwabeta uganda goregeria Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi Ensoko ya kusamata makano
Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goserwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagire Ensoko TV twachire gutorigesha ku kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro
oboroso bw'omugusi bwoigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinchira chiago goikaransanse na kobeke TV yao kwene kingangwe esomya oregekoro kyomugusi
wetero murobiryo bw'igekoro gyeito hasi tukumira nabaga kabasamwerere naboigabange nabanyika irigo kwanira okweboyia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao y'omugusi
kera litsuko ria Ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na Mbeya Ensoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
yekoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko yekoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko ibyengia yakire ngumanga bunaleo Ensoko
mwanchu muligereri Ensoko TV egeta sena mbeyemo aseliro baliagusi aiga no mugusi yakwa iguribaga na kunyarako baga gotegererwo ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki mwanchu muligereri Ensoko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyareko batoko genda ase bali chinse mo chire isiko yagusi ase chinse mo buna ichana kuru mwanchu muligereri elitonyareko batoko wa omugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyareko bakoigwewa na nene mono ntonyareko batoko so ase chinse mo Childoret no mugusi ora ase chinse mo Childoret nera nyareko bakoigwewa mwanchu muligereri ntonyareko batoko genda ase bali barasa masamba buna chinse mo Chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale enuletie tunyareko batoko ireke gusioro no mugusi anyareko bagakoigwegwa asenchera enkeranu chinsemo chia Mombasa ntonyareko batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyareko bagakoigwegwa asenchera enkeranu aiga omwanchu muligereria segeta seni ya Ensoko TV no gotuchi kwa batoko kora igekuru gyeito tunyareko batoko gekora asenchera bwenerete mwanchu muligereri aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino mwanchu muligereri tunyareko batoko korareria okorari kwanya gosira asenchira ebwenerete Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
eye Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
Buyamono kigimana ndo murigire bwa Ensoko na gotenga ebire bigani gotuguchikumira na no mogeni tubwiri tukuri rero uyo nyareko baga gwikaga igase chi studio cheito chi Ensoko TV anene karo tuguchikurigereria obosombi na boigo obonchoreria ase sector ya matatu kunyara ariko baga guchigutu kwanera gose gutwerera ase obwagare emechando era ase sector yo na boigo anene chinga kechiga abantu tore ase heka gose ase mega Yesu kuna boigo omwako munya obosombi na kibore ase sector yo buyamano kegima onye kubwate iboririnde na kumanyinga enamba itu esiminigere 0788666663 0788666663 wose asensemo ya Facebook oisoko genda ororo ase otobwati buna Ensoko TV na bokunyara ko bagukurika ujumbe ya ororo erinde tonyare ko bato konyimurekera kgendrete no moroberiga ase bono iga tigatokinyore eyemase ya mutonyoro mogeni tubiri tukurara mbya mono Wilfred asante sana asogo tutarira
nanchimbia mona soko uko ngadika gocha samadeta njembo sida Wilfred no omonogeri bwe kiombekia abantu amatoso igoro ku Mass Mobility Operators Association of Kenya. Naende nchinomon as a company chiaba obosombi bwa matatu. Na vira se biasara biaso ngakentambe.
For how long? Kwa na bagata miaka irenga.
Miaka na vira se obosombi bwa matatu ne miaka ange 13. Na vira muno amakanga. Se miaka ange tano
kwa daige songo.
Miaka 7.
Miaka
na vile miaka 7 na mne makanga. Na vile miaka 3 mno monto kuichuria rikangalia stage. Alafu na vile for the last I think miaka 4. Na vile chairman esako kwa MCA. Ni company kadhaa ya mikrokumbu isi kwenda kusi kama kibando itinga KS kwenda kusi. Ne chinde Nairobi gaiga.
Asante. Ndocho what experience gisa by the namanyitenga kwa korero mu makanika kwa korero no conductor. Unajua ekero na kumerete ndiri mwari kumana. Ndiri kwari gukwana kubwatikana chipikipiki mu kunyara kwa mu kuburukana na ne chigari chipikipiki cyabatu mara kintu taraikagabo. Karato omorigererwe nsoko kirkinaga nitigorigere inki kyako nguserete okaranga sebia nini business yonsi ipigo se biashara yonsi ne amatatu go chakiro bo conductor we kabono gwa kinire orasore.
Tinchakiriti obo tinchakiriti matatu direct after school. Meruti school na takata kugenda gusoma ngumbu tinyarekaniti. Angatema asemia kebele gutena kwenda ngumbu. Tinyarekaniti nga swagoba o Monto security watchman. Ngakore miaka ibera so watchman kama niko ku BM security. Then wono nganyora egasiete konyara ko on sustain. Ngasona no mugasona abo makanga botuko nabo watchman. So ngaswa ko rachigap kiranse transport asa matatu. So igona unaseta matatu gabune makanga and then wono ngarra chigap eche tutona okina igongora na mpaka wana strike ne. So inere a brief history about Sile. Yeah.
Ero wachagete bono to ase business ya matatu miaka irenga kwa bata.
Nsata matatu kinde miaka azingi maronge no yamo.
21 years.
21 years.
Nairobi giga gose.
Nairobi. Nchimna na korte school. Na korte school 2003. Ngacha Nairobi ngatema kwenda ngombo Canada for I did na korte chi attempt sato. Ngari no lakini na netose ne njoba ntori nde as a background yo mutakorwa chi bank statement ya shida. So that is how and one ngaranga ntirende yonzera sima monto ko de bintu bire straight rinde toro sima chibese na nyasawo bero monto faithful and tonyade ko progressive. Yeah.
Ekaro kwa ngeta se biashara ibe ninde shwanga okwarikire. Aona kikwa gruete gocha bano mpaka ukaikara bano nga you can own anine amatatu.
Igente tangani no monto gwetoma. Igente tangani bakoma nyingi utagete asoguma bwao. Na nje sinencho ni maitas na rueta ava na gosoma kone na minyida saba iri sana asingencho my parents were not in a position. So na ndenga manyanga if you work hard and are determined can get possible. So one, I was determined that I'm I'm not going to fail. Baka succeed. So I had my eyes fixed on what I want. Because initially when I was working, I can go colleague as a sober watchman, na rochinga a gap neror, so na bongora non security company ane. But even to be happen katika vile ga to gatwaro kotaiguana na monto ya more common none. Asingi njotata gete nkorega siende wetane bo watchman kera ekara wetane ko ando mugaso o matatu utukona be watchman so taigwete bia ada getonye negasie mangoze negasie so ngatigara ngatigo bo watchman ngacho ase matatu anyway matatu ne ebyasara binene sana na inde no chakorigereria asa abantu bari bakore ebyasara bya matatu abantu abagusi baito nabana sana ase ebyasara bya matatu noza kuri ikikambani kiri kinene ebyombe biri binene biri Nairobi gaiga bigokora ebyasara byo bosombi w'abantu kinyinga kumakonyora abagusi barime but bone gento gyo gatosumbwa abagusi no gotakonyana muntu kanyorra kara sida gutaka ko watoyo mwabo ko bokama nguse so ina rea te challenge but injinga tunakora gitotangana kana sote mata tunasote koligia abantu barituranyare ko musanamo bari chimaka amakanga chikamagera tochamo kiagera na roche mata byasara byo basombi bwate chibese chire liquid chire cash but otanyoretio obasemio bia kuchibekera n'ikibese kikonya abantu negasengo igogera o saving culture nengo musana se abantu abakenya tebonse tari abagusiboka abakenya bonse so gara mundu nyakibese kara litugo konyara kuchibanga chikore project yana nako mukera oteba
mambingo nyorane
so kwanyore abantu babwate cyabiti kibona ngatema korra njera kinaleta abantu mose vijana byego so koligereria umuntu matatu ekona lingi makanga nangunyaro konyaro wakanwirwe ya maritu erwe ya muso kuchibekera no kora for 25 days ikine kirwe maronge bene isa
25,000
tari banda bangi bawakanero bigaye maronge bene isano
nantunga kanware mbaka 10,000
komina ndako linefea muntu matatu tali kolina fea kagera sia kwa negali
negali mai
bonjo kanana nanda goika asawo chikorara no amenyete but so koliria banda bakunyoro mento bugimobe cyana bakunyako gacha chibese icho banyo basera samaru and igente kama karigia konyente ngaikasa na igete nyitumete marua kinde ngakiyo yokoligia na nonyo bana base kunyo marua ya makechi bes chinke so emundo nyo chibese ngego munyako chiko kuruba bote bakurusia roki wono wanyare abijana ibinge no bigosirera but to me I was determined mbaka tonyara ko make industry ya matatu abantu banyiri organizing nabego konyo muntu go muntu kera abantu abanke babwatobo cyayase ebyasara bya matatu monso ekaroro umukoliye gasi monso ekaroro makanga goso muntu go kiri stage so abantu ngorra bari nk'abantu aba babwati maisha n'abantu bari bazire sense of direction but it is mine ego gara kana ngi makanga abantu bari bagite kirafiki cyane anda abantu banga basomete like birafiki na watu mu busi urwete India ya Dan Masters bona agacha gasoko makanke gara sinchiyo bona ngende tangani neringa you have to accept this is where you are egasi watenere
onyanje kwanza
onyanje na torigeria abantu ngi bawo kwana igoro yaho very no focused so that is what I've gone through for the last 18 years to be a man. I want endo na tako gote bi ngokote bi na with confidence na kim matatu nene na matatu nere konyete economy yense ya Kenya asi kolike vijana okay yobo bakabago gintu gya keiri matatu lakini bona serikali tilikobeka chinko obolitobulibwa secteur tatagete kukonya secteur ekine ebe vibrant ekonya abantu abangi yeah
Mbiamono sana umurigerera ngaitenga nigo gendete kubwatia goseng nigo reme yensoko TV ase to gendete konyora omoroberi bwerit koria rero anene kero tugukwanera obosombi no bonchoreria ase sector ya matatu kwegure Wilfred Onyare kobaga gukwana ase enchira ya bene kigima ari anyare kobaga gwetera gusibune nyorete ase sector yo anene otebirenga kende kerio gokora karanchi gasi ninde shwa abantu mbaroro maitenga ekero Wilfred meta abantu mbaroro tenga asinge nchonta bwati gasti kankore no tikangende no ne stage gari nanya kubanga yani juhana option akinga mutenge naranje gasi eyo
no man to basa kore gento yani nga nelinga to what option wanchiro gakora bono manyanga gabu nore nonde gaiga na igendo ndagito konyora kuruga neke mbagotware objective
Biamono nare kurukuli dia nyare ko baga kombori nga otebire ngo bosemi bwa mbya bogo chago tebanga ekaro kwa renge gukora obo conductor ngwa maete nga no chicho ko babona asore sai ekaro kwa re gukora obo conductor bwa matatu
kandomo okay igende kamo ni narenga no samaninga matatu matatu no njetu ndiko kora gasinde in the next future matatu ngokora one thing the definite matatu mbaka meke nchin na sote matatu na tebete chigap chiriasa industry ya matatu na chingo tema koligere lindo naki naki ngonyara go chi close na ndi chirosi chibesa chibesa chiri straight taringa njetu ndi matatu kusibi chibesa na bantu babateba nchire nebi asarainde na ni chigaps matatu nene matatu ndobwate obwaga chibe chigali chokora chibasi chibasi nchikogoro chireyo chibasi chikogorwa chichesesi cha rosere kuga Kenya so ndobwate obwaga chibe chigali icho chigali ichi chinyinge cyabo chikotumya amabuta ngunchira amabuta so chigapo chiri chikoligere nekuturanyare okorosi do chigapo ichi torosi chibesa so inchina maite but na maite it will take time I might not be I could not achieve it within the shortest period
but ngo about that vision
and nanyitiri go yoka sinyo njino nyembono kegana nanyoriri bagali bateba igende gutangani bosire yokwana neracho ko bomuntu mutangani gutorosi banki ya bantu bamatatu
ebengi okay
chibese chinyinge chiko circulate enseito ya Kenya asidase obasombi bwa matatu kagere gari yemo ebi matatu yokororeta 3 the transaction ya yeri tuko angene chibwe muronge bana isa ikini chigari shita 3 chiri chiko tar Nairobi gayo osoka ke estimate yesabu yabo chiro zaidi ye chiro muronge bere ikini chibese gachiwo chikana n'abantu bamatatu bonsi yupi bakorusi chibese cyabo chibengi chilon bachikora chigari iki
bakwenda bawe loan bagore gari banyagwa kana kero
so ndahise ukore kwerende n'ibintu nebinge birase sector ya matatu ngagerete yasaga gotobe ko asobo moyo nabo turaba abantu batanga ni gutwale airline echagete grassroots ya kurase ase sector ya matatu ase ninjo no kuba patient naende mundu tagotebi ngatokonyara gento ekogera gento ngigotanyarikane kere nkakige ntongere uri umutangani umutangani gokoraiga na ndubwate umugusho wetu umutangani member of parliament noroshe ndubwate umugusho umutangani kolinende we have the fast na nenchi koera mbaka chitoke so igende gitangani kere gento nyoso gokora goicho okmanyete ngeke na ganso nasoro oke utwaro obosemi bwaye gekore na sitayo as long as you call him to be straight astayo basitayo but igente kyabere ke adigo sumbo vijana no gwanja koliko umuntu agoteba na abayibori bayito abayibori bayito gose intona abayibori because na my parent
sure
no gotebe umwana somo nyoregas
somo bumunyagitari
soro bumunyagitari ubugonjuri koba
ondeta yenye wataye mwana soma be conductor
exactly tayo but umwana tigasome anyore knowledge you go solve a problem because as chibaza chire nekaro wanyari go solve a problem kandi muna bono muna inche bosire na ngoro sinde inchara yogo kora a fintech company yogo kora ugorusi chibesa se chigari wakani chibesa but objective taringa yokorusi chibesa ndagatibona nakiranyara konya chimakanga ne driver banyare go swase industry ya matatu ba oni chigari chiabo cyakonyora abantu abange bari kremia kemenge umuntu likwe emyaka 10 kakuruga butanyati kubagashika kwacha chibesa cyaye tabwatikene nande mwana wasore ko gote emyaka chingurungwara cyane konyora abantu abange umuntu agenda tiga yali akagenda yo umuntu akana akagora kigali 10 erata bwatikende so ibintu bine ibine bonta korenge nekisura akora se sector ye tubeke employment yebe no employment y'abantu barabe guaranteed muna formal sector umuntu nabakore school achimatatu ateba starting point yanere, but this is what I want to achieve over a period of time.
Alafu ribori rinde nkubori kugaiga nkubori ne director na kumbori nkubori nga a difference nero ase matatu sector obonjorerwa matatu sector ya Nairobi, yani semo ya Nairobi na Gusii a difference nero
the difference ne chinge chire the difference ne chinge lakini asinge yego kwa tuwate chibere bona ya town yako ku commuter services commuter services ne chikali chikwenda within metropolis
within CBD Nairobi
within an urban setup
neba
Gusii Nyanchwa chikoncho kana mali chiko commuter vehicles ichine long distance etofauti neroro etofauti reiga chikali chia long distance mono jitagete kutware conductor driver wekana bakunyara yagogera umuntu agochwa kanega ya station so bisi olinega ali yakara ichere so in terms of management ne bwate ne kutware tofauti kidogo so inere tofauti raboro but na igendo ngetukolekera ya sekere kwende the risks egali a long distance as chi accidents okonyora chi accident chabo they are fatal because now is highways speed narrow so tofauti na chi gotokoro osokolekera na town service na kesana konyorea fatal accidents
asengenje jam
ne komnyoka mono chiko mukia banta bakeche mukiga chekeriga so they stop us so they cannot overspeed but when ma to kero bate gale koruga konda Gusii nyuko ma to monto mudana gira bomet so there's no
oge konya magutalio
ya monto nyira mabuta na ndire mabutoka ekatokwa nobo sombi ne chi accidents kekora kana ngorigereria records mutinyo weka mutinyo mpaka bona story December korutare moja mpaka bonia abantu bakule asichi accident chiri recorded abantu wetane 25 amatukaya makega na ndo sokorigirira chi fatalities chinyingine chigari chikogenda amasafa
long distance lakini ekarokolgerie ekiombe kia obotenende bwa sector ya obosombi ekorokwentse ekaronyo bakoleta a cause ya accidents okunyone most of the time they want to get a reason you go blame omogendia go blame a speed kwarere na indiscipline ya observing lanes but nana kunyori tukeri mbako tebana ki na what is the nature and the standards chipara cheito chipara cheito niko cause chile this accidents because na njengo ninde chigari para na gende gari moisonde ko Mombasa gocha Nairobi chipara cheito ntimakiri they're not marked areas chinde njibwate mpaka portals na this an highway kwa na muntu kwende gali gabo turinga rasima kilo muntu aba no momenyi bworogongoru ne gali yako nyige na maitenga portal ne rasigete naboko onyora abantu abange mbali bakwende nga KM so umuntu naranyora omunye crash speed onyora report instinct nacho kwatenga yasukie gali right so those as well na wonyo na chikos but mbana okwanera yakogera yantake muna chile koranga ebi tenge bi serikali ebi gotago go protect them yani kwegerana eli ndaba blame citizens for their incompetence so mara nyingi kena kura they have never taken responsibility as kende gyonzi kusiri abantu para because one mwako weka mpaka 1st of December abantu bakura separa umbasikono para bari recorded manya bange onye ba recorded chiri winye nechiminye na sin na 8 manya batara kodri they are almost the same number if imagine we are losing over 10,000
Kenyans to accidents. And no one take responsibility. They always get a reason to blame the driver.
Asinga nchukua kwanire egabu kwa nyare kwa baba na abune serikali undo chogendete kwa mwanya gutwara asinga nchani no monenura se sector ya matatu ngona yara secretary general taribo hasi company esa association yenu mwanya kubanga a meeting one on one no mwaziri wobo sombi Davis Chichir
Nturanyora libagali okora kutwara meeting nere ayomaso yomo no ni waziri but no nyetri waziri tari en mono umuntu oli eregreta na NTSA in my own personal levels and the association I've really tried to engage them but again the commitment and the willingness to take responsibility, because they are the counterparts, because they're greaters.
Lakini for now ni mubate michano ni inu ikufo bono ni inu riweri ni inu ribetete ni inu mukomia lakini akuboringa mwanya gukwana na ababwata ni abo bese
to attend because the last time na ba engageti bande bangete bagante in the next 1 month ngogana is whatever the stakeholders to a stakeholders meeting which they have not called so we are trying to engage them but they are non-committal.
Biamano kigima ntiganda itera chujumbe abantu bagendete gutuma gucagaiga ndocenga asensemo ya Facebook abantu nigo bagendete gutuma ujumbe mungano kurukunga Jeff Cyrus agoteba niga agutubwati kurwa chinsemo cha Serena Hotel na boygo Federico Gemba agoteba watching you live from Nakuru. Duncan Ombane Onchiri agoteba kurwa Otaji igomanya machibu basi Riambese Secondary School no are meyo moroberi asagendete kubwa tia obosemi. David Matata Nyamwaro agote kurwa magwagwa agote banoare imeyo moroberi na mamo mwabodorika Moturi Joseph amona abanda bange nabo ego Christopher Atandi agoteba kuruchinsemo cyabo rangi Kenyambi akubwatia omoroberi yiga na mukaya sagoteba nigagendete konyora obosemi anene chinga kichiga abantu bagendete kogenda chinsemo ao imeyense. Jerry Akirubo nera agoteba nga getting you loud and clear from Manama Barin Kingdom nabo ego boneka tokotebi mwanchumurigire nyukubwate kinduraga ni tumurekere so asensemo ye mutandao ensemo ya Facebook nigo tore live nigo okogendera korika ujumbe yao erinde tunyare ko batokonya soma asekre yabene nabo konya kubwate kende uragani gukwanira se gwetera ase namba ito simi twakire simi gwetera 0788666663 0788666663 ujumbe yao nige gwikaga senchire yabene kigima tokwirana tokuragenda so mutimo ko mosinini tokwirana erinde togendere gusange birengerere byao nabo gotogenda gosemania ase obonchorere ase sekte ya matatu tochiare.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Pastor Nixon Matara niga gukwarigania sumo Thanksgiving na bwego Pastors Appreciation Day oyura koleka senseme ya ATC Jumamosi jitariki 13 cy'umutinyoyo w'ikomina kabere ngochakira chinse 3 cy'amambya
nona ariko barigania mwensi abatengeri na abategereri Wensoko TV sogo cha ituko lya Thanksgiving erabe kitariki 13 lya ATC ange ni skuru ya ito yabamura ya Kisi School
ninchoneke wakiao erinde tumwakirenya sainga mbuya muno na kumusira Pastor Nixon Matara asokurandia linya sai
itukelio ntobe ne chikwaya kirato ginyasai nilingana lya nyasai yona abali galini mwensi abarange na abarale nyasaba sini asinga nchwanja ocha asiri tukelio
Muligoyo nobe live ime Yensoko TV guchaka chisingi chamambia tomocha
Oyo n'umuchakano w'umuchakano ime ya Nsoko TV bunagwateka na kuhariganiwa n'abasaki b'amang'ana ime na isiko yense yaito ya Kenya. Kera ritukuria Jumatatu ensa eyemo amone chinsa isato chabotuko nimbe kingo paretera amaya ya Nsoko TV elietaliane Ishmael Mogere.
Buya kegemo mwancho murigari bwa Nsoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambi yabono.
Buya kegema inde aso gutwanchira ko bari yogiritangani kwegure nyumba mwago emambie.
Nsoko bwa kiro mwancho murigari incheni Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndem.
Togenda se gazeti ya The Daily Nation asbago tebanga ikiama gyo DM ge kwamba kororekananga gatigati yayo mwatekano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekere serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general sokiri na kugikilia serikali ngichwera kwa negorengani
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saidi kurwe binto kurwe makitapa kerege lakini ngoira ni maega kego umuntu mato ukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
Mwancho murigaria bwa Nsoko TV bagakwana bagateba chisemi na lichikori bya orobebe egati ya bari babwate na bari batabwati ase bisaku au akene rure nche Clinton ndigi gwetera seketa seni kiago gya Nsoko TV kochiko komanya onsi eya maseyemo ali aenekiwe ali arobere gochia kwanekiwa ase sector yechisemi kurigase obugatagati bumwe Nairobi abegochi county chonsi emerongene na isano nebere ase ense ya Kenya elioko ligia komanya na ria ya agendrete ase sector yechisemi.
Korwa igaiga asamaga choje bunge nene amaneria Senate omwancho murgeri egwe Nsoko TV ntabe to koletera amangana magia buna twateka kurwa igaiga miyobo katakati bumuchi Nairobi igoika igabo sore nchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga ne yene Nsoko TV oboroso womugusi
Mwancho murigereria ntobe to gwikirana anse chichiro asito kumurekera ngaki ebimeri bikorwa ase megondo nabo igwa kugwikira aye omwanchi omurigereria ntobe to kurigereria amagori yebimeri guna chinyanya amatoke amarabwani nebinde ebinge igoto skato nyegera gende gotengera egitaseni gya Nsoko TV obona buboroso obumogusi Eliane Kerubo Frida
Tomo chago tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukomanya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baito be andrete chinga ki chance asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengari botari no mubwekano Kurumucho mano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira Nsoko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
maumifunga bwato moyo nyigwete ngatindi monto chereye nkaro mororo asamalieta bakondo kama Taifa 254 inde ya Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
Buyomono na endo murigerere bwa Nsoko no kwegena kwa nebuna ni gogendete kwegokia nabo igogwesemia kubatikana no moroberi bwerit kuria rero uyu anene to gukwanira obonchoreria na obosombi ase sector ya matatu tutaragenda obosio nabongogania uturikire jumbe gose onye kubwateng'anende kugusio moyo gusuragani gukwanira rika ujumbe yao gwetera ase namba itio studio eyo 0788666663 gusogenda sensemo ya Facebook obeke ujumbe yao erinde tonyare koba tugusanga ebirengereri Wilfred tutaragendera iklipunkere ngusaba producer ya onye kiabere tayari anyare kobaga ukebeke iklipunkere mware kuumana sana tigango aratukuni tumago kwana na iklipuke
sikipigi abagande bechipigi basambire chigari chitomono naende serikali tera akora kende koruchigari cha swago samu kuro mutinyo nane basambe gari dono Embakasi sub county Nairobi county umutinyo yobweka okianda basambire chigari sato wekera rero eyuninse ewiki monenus basambire chigari sato ono mbako bo bwasoire ekogendie gari ase chipara cha Kenya ase ngenjo okuno mondo we pigipigi eize gari aesa ambugo soitu na serikali trio gara kende igobone twara ngotebye serikali ga ochakira bono twabaira abantu bari bakore bagusamba chigari babuatwe bashitakiwe goso
biamono sana oyu Wilfred ekerari gasi na bakumune muri gagenda kumetiri kikiarenge kana tabigo muri what happened
Ngai gane muchak I think hearing like 3-4 months ago.
Yeah.
Bono chigari ncha sambu sana nabantu bechipigipigi. Igari kuno muntu wepigipigi akeyo batonke gari. Serikali yeko nguna hote binande ikero muntu ile gasi mbako take responsibility. Bono kumano kwa renge kogera Pascal mbana kubata muntu usamba gari yomuntu. You know, it's criminal. Mbali wakara kende chigari chigo sambu muntu yokwana. Ministry of Transport yokwana. Uyu baba chirichi no but was talking. Baba mu recommend the CSA Interior. Tango kwana IG Kanja tango kwana kende muntu yongo kwana wende wensu serikali. Either bo obolendi oso obosombi. Muntu kwana tichi incident tichi chonsi. Muntu karatogo kiraiga ngokorutore. Uruchigarira kuno muntu asini yasambu yakuna yasambu egari ni chimilioni sana ibere chimilioni komune kunyabegete chi music chigari chisambu ikanto gukuru so nakitwa ngomana tubateba serikali egwende kulenda abantu baye bona ndiya tutigire onye batutigire n'entoro sirinde bonto twebange n'entoro ndebiasara bitu batinga gereze kuruyeli mbaje tebagakwana abantu b'echipigipigi kuruyeli tinde gwegari yasambira yarango samba chigari chonse tari chema chuka mbaga chipasa ngo samba barenge tunaza kuli kurutwa kwanete makabono
mbaire tangwa
mundu turasambaga
igo there is power akaromo ko ganda media mwakwa ni michando yenu
na bondoche batebwe ne tukobayo kibwende kiri mundu take responsibility yae if you have been employed ukorra wana inchegas make sure you kere ekebe abantu bakiragereri ndo basokotiga ingambaka kerenga ke abantu basoka isko ukuno koroki nga ensitibwatie lichiko
aseke kitambe na watari matatu kamuna gwakwana nko narorire abaonchoreria ba sector ya chipigipigi na matatu mbabwaterangos for ege kitambe bonega mwanya kumirana ebyombe biga bya matatu ekikiino usene sector chichinde cha matatu na abe byepigipigi mukwane ekera magosa akorekanire gose ekera accident ya korekanire na kimabwana tego solve issues cheno
ja to I think after 2 months iga banyo ntana ya leaders wa ma pigi lakini manya yege ndokende serikali yenyene Ministry ya Interior yetemne toborendi ne wena togo take responsibility kero monta atake role yayo zazingine trinona abantu ba pigi n'abantu bara aido umuntu arege ndoki aberega iga atadokosye commotion aibe kwarale batwanya bono abantu bimba ino n'abantu banembaro ekara abantu bakorengere mune mob nakunyori crime gokorekana kwarale so as much as ngote abantu n'abantu bepigibye na bonya batine n'ikipiki cyabo kwarale But at times, three want which people on Nyamboka. On your abantu mbali because there is crime, you know. Abantu about a opportunity. Next one, you cause the commotion so that we are able to steal. So at times, that's what happens. Ngora nyabuti nigenteke. Now, abarendi, abare abaskari. Na momento uti nibinde. Na ende onye gantu yakore kanine. Siku hizi gendo yakore kana itawa CCTV. Muza koli rema ebi kwende chikrem chosi yakore kana. Abate watu wa CCTV. I'm sorry to say this. Bunga naro ga turisa Nairobi. Abantu bakora tukimo before babwatu. Ebapwate CCTV ba connect bakabata abantu. Ekere gali ya biri mu gaso yigore para as CCTV chiri. Ngona kwa no monto ya. So complex error yani complicity. Abantu batatu bakora gasi yabo. Na into ndoka teba as citizens. Timwe ndo chakora gasi yo muskari. Timwe ndo chakora gasi yo waziri o interior. Tia kore gasi yae. Onye kumusinya ati umuntu ndaso ekera bakenya mbale competent enough para akora ikigasi icyo. Na rero tunyara kora science yaito abantu batware the comfort yo kora ibyasara byabo. Kusubiye kora ikigasi cyabo. Because the what justification in onsi watomero muntu itarakwa. Umuntu naba kusave life abantu baza kumutiga oyo mukuna amubeke gari mamuri nyagitari. Wala? Ekara abantu bacho ba block ngamondo takonyo teru nyagitari. We lose life.
And again Mr. Bosire gabuna gwa kwanje kubatikana nayo nandi twararorire ebikore bya drivers gusaba conductor babo reckless driving. Inyorete ya matukama iga matukatarera ya Butika Road. Mungwana conductor nere atumeto umuntu akakupara. Gari yare ko moving vehicle akamutuoma. Nande ese kurigereri na eringoira nerioro otebenga inuna abateneneri ba matatu discipline kimuguchi mwaru ase sector yo usasekera umuntu akoreri mocho bunerio na kwanyora chi driver chinde echi over speed. The reason ko bori abagotebanga ababwate target nere bona ebuna omonyene matatu mubekirete marogo babugo goso motebeti marogo barete like 25,000 echo no akurusia umusigari ngumuchandari parara mukuni alafu akane conductor no igwaka nukuru ne driver ne gari richiko bande barora ko motebi nge gari eterera na marogo bakorara amafuta full tank no mwetenga amafuta beke gari na chiriago koretera bono asinge njugu mabwako ngire otebanga enjera yo karenda gende chi trip chinyingere ndanyore bese yakane driver umusigari namubwata kero kende by the end of the day utagete serimu abegeta agreement onya ine chiribu komye gari ke bwata mafuta full tank ichibiribu komchiro chinkongori gachire moyo ekitambo keribune kero kina kiora kwanira
like now very from the word go personal responsibility kero monta take responsibility of the action that he does kiriye gukora onya kene gonya kiriye gukora kene gukora already got take responsibility Nado kwanda igoro ye accident ya korekanite accusation ya korekanite nga makanga ya tomero monto akerenza. Ndiko kote biki dynamics kira sector ya matatu. Sector ya matatu ndubwate muntu gurwe conduct. Ndubwate gasina akori ya Kamagera muntu gutuke stage ijori ga.
Oichori gari yagenda.
Wakanwa. Chi stage sichire you know as a company to install a staff every stage and that is when I want to from the word going matatu ekoragiri abantu abange it has employer of people if jani bia Kenya bono kwanyora umuntu narutene stage totebe onye na Nairobi yaiga totebe Thika Road ali Homeland stage na leo ndo agoswa muntu akwenda uchimweki abantu akwenda Thika Road Nyeri imbaregani kwanyo muntu natene gari bono ndo akore gari ya Nyeri otebye customer gari Nyeri go chiswa gawo siyanto babere otebye conductor bono na nchenga kende because ina nja tonanyete okonyora that's how tokoshana makanga chikamagera nona baskari abwate abai that is how we live with them because ndo takatwara commotions chi arguments na at times muskari muntu nabako mwebese nonya tarago saba go stara kora kwende because it's a relationship you get that's what happens. There is bribery and there is this that you can give. So utebe makamagere yechire gari thikarodi gabo imakanga orore usupengire muntu asana ya mose mbabere or is not what kumwakana tutebe makamagere yeteme kudandie gari because gari abo sabe gari ya chakira so ku stage atama kubwatirire gari akirinze umatu muntu yakoro kukamagera muntu yakoro kwe passenger and even the family can claim so uni mtu wetu alikuwa again take more that it make sense to me igari yangu ya Supermetro area korte kwenda I need to talk it because even the owners I think it can't bring an issue so igari ya korte accident yes but we had a discussion with them because we are in the same association with that company we had these discussions that vehicle ya watabantu 30 na babere maiga igotwara abantu 30 noyo including a conductor igonyo muntu tatenini abantu bose bekarasta ne Kenya ye bagotebe argument ya renga singi 30 njana na korra asa abantu 30 e commotion yebe asinya 30 shillings no muntu ya moto afate venga if ngoikere extent ikinga muntu gusumware I can pay because nanjina na wakandro muntu karo commotion jiko toka segali nasa abantu abatati muntu tagote banga muntu yo mutaroche oche to koleke statement ngo maene pio muntu nato mtukure gari so the circumstance here accident hiyo tingunyara konyebeka into perspective because abantu bali bakota investigation mbate kama to clear correct but nturi go support those kind of acts if it happens itokotebyo onye conductor yakolikone because a company never at details check muntu nande kromo drama igangari kya aimokara colleagues so onye incident yakolikane itokote kimongwa muntu the culprit to take responsibility we make sure onye kotini it go to court we ndogo support because oroche ebya tutebe company yani it was those kind of incidents kromo ndawo tamakore company yani and my objective no grow a company so I cannot support that and as we are doing right now usakole ri miaka ya bono ni miaka maega ya skile ubonchuleria no basombi bo matatu wa change squeeze no nyoko nyoro muntu koramo muntu asegari ko vetere de goso egali mi mataka kinere nda nkwenda country bus kuninegari kero kwanda gusi kwabe kwa egali kwa kamera
onyo kubata mwana akarera nayo ukarenga
kwa change yani sector yango change yere nekutoko sabana ki serikali era toko kwa yime go support asingendo kire wrong tero tebenga gaiga omaine ninu wata magoso kware ndo twara injili yo monto o blame wa ase egento takoleti munekike chi accidents that is our stand na kire ngento yokoleka na kire gatare kwerende we jointly condemn it as a sector
neri borerio aba chi driver che over speed esenyo target babika
targets targets here
osena kimokere target
targets here town service now that's why it was not to be a town service long distance town service to at fixed fares because okonyoro monto nyegari ko tutebe kitengera go Nairobi umuntu akona kitengera aikere asakuru kusharo uyo ndali neko kitengera cyo kire town kose aike murongo abuguri umuntu ndegocha so you cannot be able to kuba tonya gonyo ko position ya ko tebegari ni kibasirengera ekobugorigo bono nakyo to ko responsibility the driver and the conductor
bona kero agreement ne re mo kubeke kero ko motegari
no ndo do chagabu kwa bono those dynamics bono to jatwali kire gari na rangri driver egari yanene chigari nchire type kadha egari nerengoto yatumikire mono nerenyia enyenya nerenyia bade manyanga egari ko nyoro monda bigeze extras chichi milioni ibere asinga nchie market market na vijana gari changite vijana chimanyanga icho chimanyanga so go chokwa body driver egari egari tu ntagete after magoroba kana mabikira mabata mu yakande ndagete kiri biko no kiri bunane kwarana egari yako genda squad totebe chi squad isano usisanemo korukitengera kwenda na isanemo ikora kiri squad isanemo it's possible egari nyore kibasingana iga so normally muntu yako ena targets kire unrealistic it used to happen some time back when you are given a vehicle what bunga that kiri biko na isano ingagija ndo akabwiri chi excess you know but now things have changed because to want a company everybody excess and the company excess is a policy that you don't have you don't carry excess na number what chiro marshals so na monto yo ndito kulinega to wanjo negari monto ago tunega ya karangiretega to ne pengen anticipate no tuli bata baranda ki to wanja kulinega so after obere raini uganyega to company excess so transport ya change bandu mari kubori chi excess na ngiro muntu bona that kurwana rere kwende aya so nabo kumanyega ali ko bugoliga na biwe kichibesage toje to karanza and the thing is mandatory because ega na beko to breakdown you see we understand this has happened so today we can't meet the targets so it's a negotiation that we have to akwana to igwana so muntu akutwara excuse na nje target ya nene that's why I'm overlapping and that is why I've said kiro muntu ago take responsibility wana na kwa gari ya no what nero kwa over speed ukana continue no mwenye ndivyo over speed mwenye was not driving that car you were driving the car so want to take to a excuse and you see this is why from what I said we must nonye success nonye your life success ego tegemea your commitment are you willing to take responsibility on your actions when you don't take responsibility on your actions then you can't succeed that's a fact which I care what you do and what you want to do
ndare bari borindira ko muswati na roko roko Rose Muleso kulichensa moja kitengera on diving sometimes ndiruwi kama onyoranga abaga bakubanga kigari na kibakuruko abona gire kamagera nabago tayiri goriri ngao lakini yeye aendi na gari na backstage nabago tayaya leta 50 nabago wikero kwanyore gari go 60 yari go sangerergo unaona ume wa keri gori noyo naelewa nabako mtaya timbwati of course na baranya gasi egari 60 kubugorero mate yaya kuna vile unapata 50 mbwate na ndio siko kaenda kuchia se company ngao na buguchira 50 echu lakini wote yaya oyega mo goikasigete ngogo drop na bagu kubugo necho kugwike gari memwanga ya guchanda na bana bungora bekera magoso ne conductor gosenga magero yu kwa moruka
ne kamagera but wono
chikesi chinchiro
it is kind of complicated but now as a passenger and you bargaining it's important to take that responsibility you know the word is responsibility today
sio ngoto bako mutainda for example tuyaka gote nchokwana na ngakinere na reko genda badengi tengela menyete no gwa kwa nagabu so ukonyoro monta gote bichiki chikamba nchiro no maite chikonda kitengela kuna yenye iko cheap kuna yenye iko a bit expensive kwade umuntu kwa mutaina ki mungena ari bachanda nte sana ne conductor mbako muka kondaka mwakanera amomente ta around 10 bob because amote tie gari 70 bob chinza ikabuna bana igana boguchera 70 bob gago akamote yaya chibese mbwate 50 angenda hapo chini kidogo gari nero ya 50 chikamba ninchiro roko nyachiri cheap uyu akamote yaya dine gari unani na bogo drop ku gari necho semo ngena akarine gari akaenda kuji explain kwa huyu mungwano yeye conductor mako mtainga mwenye alikwambia bei ya backstage yani you get that commotions wano maito na ukweli yako na hiyo 50 na kimungo cha mwando chikesi bunecho baka kutakanga dere simamisha ngoto simamisha ashuke bona ndio muntu umwikeri njereke maine 50 hapo ate 50 china bari kuri nere gari koruga ige mwiki nonka ngemi abo asarenge lakini sengenjo okwerendo yuri kubanga omungai nari namba bakoro kweke guse ori namba iri amungai nari amotaina bogo ikuna 50 chikangemi wana atete kwikeru go se Westlands atarika kangemi sengenjo ya 20 bob na kimungo cha mwadi nechi kesi bunecho
ingendo bunekyo litangani ndo watebiga chikasi chiko apena as a company muntu konirega as a stage company tayo muna totebe bono kwa rude para kwa chire totebe kwa rindega ali onyengongro diore na totebe no ine as a kansa yanga ngali ulinde gari ro chikitengera for instance kigera gari stage ye company nete yoro alibono kama gari yawo tebingo na bago ikosoko kwana lakini chigari chinyinge chi stage ya Nairobi gayo okonyore gari rikre the price ya
price 70 bobo
kurugamba kaga 70 kurugamba 50 but sine rikwigo asa abantu bari human enough because none njana nako boru fair mbaga ngasaba musikali akankanire fair ndabwati fair so life inabere iko nabo muntu akoborwa asa muntu ore fair nabo gocha mutebi muntu ndo 70 lakini njaka kemote 50 no mbogoli a human being because we are human na muntu abatebi swaye kwana if you get the right conductor the conductor is going to the vehicle na ba kolini akoimokia ko ide kwana but wana mchana uche yaba gabara maze onore yasi kama na gasari gesari beyonce was to condemn on one person to condemn the entire industry etaribia bono chini za nchiroro bali ndo tabi mo the best yo montara kole chali mati mo ngache mara tunchirikire nsako chikichere njikire sako igende tanga no nyekire ya bile to the extent umuntu akote binando kwende yako ikirigo one as a commuter ile register number ya gari kwanza alafu the company name it is actually ile number plate yoka we are able to tell company kire na ende usawa kwa kwenda you can easily know who are the officials of that company because the conducting Jitigrase NTSA chich company and you can easily get their assistance but if we get those incidents as which company we take action.
Another thing nande yanginyoire ritkonenga kinenari netegari am sorry thing commission company keyo katine gari koruga iganare kwenda chinsemo cha Kitengela matendo bwa express isengenjo agatotebi charinge chinsa cha sana nega agatotebi nga sai fair normally kurugali abakuburi sana nega na boguchera 70 bobo 80 agatotebi bono mukuru 100 asengenje jamu nerere gari city cabanas tuete express tuchigosoka mlolongo tukarwe mieyu tatuete ti express njara timotigeti tinde dogo egasi ande wekenga lao venye tulifika hivi nikamuuliza buda an express tore bano goseninze tore nande bebati ingie jamwe katobwata nikazusha aliturudisha hizo pesa lakini renda eke skune ke karmo akanyorere obutari oboibi na kimugo cha mwadi na gitori na juo tabiri onyenta moboreti which means bando mbar gwirane gubase cha torane 30 bobu every person jukonyo to sabire miemia atweto express agatenge driver yeba gweta igoro ekare yeba gweta tokore naki singenjo we paid for that service atujaipata na kibano buna inua baba ne ba matatu e conductor bune yiki wase muri na kimugo solve
no mali ko nyara bande we suspend kunyo monta ko discipline action we suspend up to a whole month nando maite bone I think it has really ya change ngira bantu bakorigereria igasi yabo ya matatu mate na gato yona chimakanga chinyinge bantu bande bagocha tebanga ino yoko bwaterera kwari osenga bono nabwa chibasi cyale nabona akora kende yonse nabwa tachi nabwa ta controls iyo cyaya karo mukwate ndiyo montegasi akobere wiki ya mata watkende mata igase chinazo bako chiri kiralituko so yakaro banyaro mondo tenaniwe tawatkende they come back to the senses. So we have disciplinary actions and we start by suspending. Then at times, if it recurs, to operate in our company.
Eki na gosenga mangana nara tete commission company lakini no maite company famous era about Montervo yega sinjo kwa nanga mobwati chigari cha homeboy siko genda chinsemo cha gusi na ego bono no moteneneriore bwa chi nini hizo masama marefu eke singeroro kyo Montervo rio butoge toko boko na gendrete inyore ni bonega akukwa mtandao anaendelea kulilia haki yake ngaraba ngwana ba kugikirie company eyo one for instance driver naki orabe ko murigereri buyagaiga driver yanyora accident ameumia onyorere bono borema bori atanyare kwiranirire gasi esengenjo mubwate chika company eyo kwenda chibuna inuma saya mare una kimogo cha mwando ekese kigose na compensation kimogo chimwamwa
ndo chikapinjire gabo I want to be very honest. There are gaps. Kabisa chinene. Too wide, but we are trying to really engage when the amount of chin insurance company.
First, driver na insured. Eseng enjoy gari. Ege ento karakitinda amanya tim egari ne insured. Egari saize ko nyora accident. Egari ne bwata insurance ekwande enye shuguri kere. Onye te kunyara konini ko koreru na kimukoro kaizo repair o kwa gari enye, sindio?
If it has a comprehensive cover.
Onye insured. Yeah. Alafu drive yiga.
Drivers are not insured. Actually, driver and conductors are not insured in the insurance policy.
Those are
the gaps no ngotebi. I'm not gap chire. Igende tangani driver aratware weiba. Also atware personal accident covers. Now, igende ngera kwanza personal accident covers. It as a society, as a country, there are very few Kenyans Nanyabakura personal accident covers chavo. Because Montari Korenga it's really an urgent need. It's not a basic kind of need. Oh no, only one about it. But nche, as a story I am one a mistake in a company. You see somebody who was working for you. It's like your son or daughter. You must take care of him because he's vulnerable. This is somebody who is supporting you. He has been involved in an accident. I listened to his story. It's really heartbreaking. Because when he has saved lives at his expense, permanent disability, and then you don't even take care of the hospital bills. You don't take the family, basic needs, and you are
like from the company side niliona wakisema watemire kwa insurance. I don't know iranga charenga mungwanu wangira.
Me, I don't want to preempt because I don't know. I'm not speaking for anyone, but I'm saying from
sasa ninakwambia case bune case nje this is the reality of gimabo na bako nyora accident igari no bwate para na bako nyora accident driver ya obona kiki
I want first to stand with the driver. I own a company, and if my company does the same tomorrow, if you place me on to be on the wrong, let me be placed on the wrong. Because one, this gentleman said he had evidence that he went to hospital. Tinyuweti, a company we have contrary opinion on this. We paid this, and these are the documents that we do. I can teach message. So one is say kwerende in the public domain, umuntu right ni driver. Nero kotebo mine, a story boniga. Iyo ndigo tebanga kamotebi nga a company gatebi insurance, tongo tebi insurance. Insurance is a process. Claim payments is a process. So justification babwate tego toka na yo mine to me. Iyo ndo bare ngikokora. Umuntu utakweti. Nyasa na mukonye temo yare. Iyo ntago asrit no koboko. That is not incapacitated. Taringa ta akora gas. Na ba akora gas. Iyo ndo mo gretanga as much as ngote molecule yo if WIPA was paid, kiani maite drive it about the personal accident cover. And that's what we are trying to negotiate so that we get insurance who can cover afanyakazi wa matatu. On my personal levels, I'm trying to do that. But not to cover for my company, to cover the entire industry, because I've worked na biro mfanyakazi wa matatu before, ni maite challenges to wetera, ama ba wetera. So, iyo ndo wango kolege tanga nelinga, monto na bagenda kolegas. Monto yo okonyi de company bando makweti as much as umire no kumara to bisha kolega sineons eri nara atware livelihood atware continuity ingi mwa tara ngo orutro tanya ko moment
takunyara kolema
tanya kara kende bono ono monte company yango leta imobeke role as a simple role imo akane yendo kira mo sustain but ikira wanda ikira ko nyomo monta abike to extend away ka I'm sorry, I blame a institution.
Okay.
And I stand with him.
Asingin chondo chinga chidagika chigendete ko myaka tubate chidagika nge inyiga chyoka tuskore asense moyo murobero yiga kero kende ogoseme ngana kyobwate oranyare ko bagogoseme chi driver na boy ko chi conductor anene this festive season ngana yao yo mwari ora bataiba barigereri bari bakurigerete ane na buchi drivers
driver nga batebiga bogi matoko nyara ko irania kara kwa basiriri ikine gente kemo pi montando ben sin siata nyara goncho ko irania mundu randu kanya sai kala irania yeso irania trazaras na nyasa kaboki yeso kara kwete. I think we have chini sinto bata bantu baboki asokum batato. I think Razaras, tende montoya kanisa mo kanisa.
Akira Razaras na
aboki na Yesu na aboki. So we can
no mwana na robo gete.
Bono obogi mwana ore precious. Ndoto araraka na ndi chiparechi mochimanyete. Nekara kwa neparo tamanyete. Tia komunyokie gari. Ile gari ngora nabogoika. Kibase kino cyo gucyonspire yaro so abantu nabange bari ku Nairobi go basoma gusi uzokwera Mombasa ngomnyoko no cyo mnyoke nkigo goisana mambire makotaka kibase kinde ntoto araraka negento kende korega simne yao anjegasi egente kama ngotebi you can become who you want to become naboko boyo tatakoba onyo go tatakoba omonyene company yo okorengere gokorera uso yo okorera nabokoba kera nabeire gogotaka koba imiaka yawo gotaka bokoba no nyino umurai wense nabokoba muntu takate bitokoba muntu yo wense takate bekene kiyaye koba determined kerigi kora naende igendo ngo batebi ibintu by'shortcut imbiri gokonya torengere ngabono ngendega mbachega na onyo na chibeza kibese nchigo gokonya naboko manyo bumubiya abana baba bachandege kigera twarode those incidents konyoro monta aros chibeza kitari kingiye kinyinge akamanyo bumubiya lakini abana baba baso chandega because calm always shortcuts konyore kore bintu genuine kabe bintu straight nande bekanya sai mutwe keregento kare possible tugenda kigari ngora tukubuli abantu baitobia umuntu ye customer yobo ya guru kibese na imambe na guru kibese takora mu muntu nasenya cyaburu tawiki umuntu njira atarayika asenya injaza bwa siringi 10 tubuli abantu baito tubakobe kabe brothers keeper
Mbiamona sana. Mbiamona kigima omurigereria ndoche nga ebiro byachire kigima bari bonsi bene kinga omoroberio yiga ongogocherera sentira ya bene kigima to wakera mbiamona sana nyoranga emeroberiende nige guchikogenderera buna botambe na omurigereria to wakera mbiamona sengencho onyo tare ko baga abuntu are ko beraga na boigo ri inani bosire to gosteba nga mbiamona na mabori amange na raro to teiraneri lakini asengencho yebiro gosabanga na ndi chinga kichinde kare turakugania otare gochire ndeto nyako batogo kunera obonchorira sector ya matatu ekogera matatu ne sector engare kegima biamono sana na gwikeraga buno tuguchigukorera omorobere bweritiko rya rero kare ngo gosaba utware oborigererio buya twara chinga kichingia tigara na nyasaye.